Hi. In this video, we shall see how to create the symbol. In the last video, we have seen how to create schematic for the inverter. Then now we will be seeing how to create the symbol for this inverter gate. So in the schematic editor window, click on create and then click on cell view and then click on from cell view. This form appears for you, and then now you will be clicking on OK. Keep everything default. It is just the library name, cell name, all the info that you can have a look at it. Then click on OK. Now this is about the pins. So you will be having all the pins here mentioned. All the pins in your schematic will be present here. Say V in, V out, VSS and VDD. These are the four pins you have, and by default it has already categorized the input pins as left pins, output pins as right pins, and input output pins as top pins. So you need not have these things exactly same. There is no mandatory rule like that. It is just a convention that input pins are left and output pins will be at right. And what I will do is I will keep my VSS as bottom pin. So I will be just selecting it and Control X. I am cutting it from there and Control V. I am pasting it here. Okay. So now my VSS pin will be bottom pin. And now click on OK. So you can just see here. So click on F to fit to window. Now your symbol is done. So yeah, this is so simple for you to create a symbol, but sometimes just having a box like this is not going to helpful. Is not going to help you. That is because say you are doing some big circuit. Okay, so just for take an example, say if I go to some memory compiler example, and if I go there, so column IO, so you have a schematic here, and you can see this is my sense amp and this is my pre-charge marks, this is my D flip-flop or latch actually, and these are all antenna diodes, and you can see how the symbols have been created for them. It's not just a rectangular box. Of course you can have rectangular box, technically it is possible, you won't get any errors or anything, but when you take a screenshot and you do document the intent of the schematic, won't be so clear when you have symbols created like this. So try to make it a habit to create a symbol, a proper symbol for your schematic, such that the symbol should represent the intent of the schematic, right? So we'll see now. One more example is I can show you about that flash ADC. So you have your ADC like this, and if you open the schematic, so and I will press F to fit to window. So here you can see I have all the comparators here, like 15 comparators. It's a 4-bit ADC, and this is my resistor bank I am having here. And then I have an encoder block. So you can see for encoders and all, I have just kept a uh, rectangular box only. Then this is my buffer stage. So you can see wherever it is necessary, you can create the symbol according to your wish, and wherever it's not so important, you can just keep it as a rectangular box. Okay, so I'll close this. Now for NOT gate and for all the gates that you are going to create under this course of standard cells, you will be creating a symbol that you see on the paper generally. Uh, so for the inverter, the symbol is a triangle with a bubble in front of it, right? So first I will delete this green color box. Select that. I have selected the green color box. Click on delete. Now it is deleted. So now what I will do is first I need to change my first I will check my resolution. I will set it to for zero point zero 0.01. For me it was showing zero point zero 0.01 because I had already changed it. So you may see it as 0.0625 as this as the default resolution. Okay, so when you first open, you may see it like this 0.0625. I'll keep try to have a lower resolution so that I can easily edit in a and draw in a better way. I'll click on this line mode. Now my mouse is in the line mode. I will draw a line from here and till here. So I'll just try to have exactly symmetric with respect to the input pin. And now what I will do is I will draw one more line, the slant, and then I'll try to keep it in the middle. And now again I will click here, and you can see there is some disjoint. So I have connected that disjoint now. So I have successfully created a triangle. Okay, so now I will be moving the pin names outside. uh, while moving the pin names outside, you just have to select that and click on M. Now it is in moving mode, so then move it like this. Click on the thing you want to move, select that, and using your mouse left click button and release. Now click on M to enter into the move mode and then start moving. Similarly, I will do that here also, and I will do the same thing here. I will just keep it same as that at the top. And now what I will do is I will select this and move it and keep it at the center like this. Right, so yeah, I think this one was so what I will do is I will select this point and extend it. Select this point edge and click on M, then you can easily extend it. So similarly I will extend it. Select this. You can observe over here and only this has been white, right, this edge. Click on M and move it like this. Similarly I will do the same thing. Okay, here I have to have the gap to have the bubble, right? So I will keep the gap there. So to draw the bubble, I need to draw a circle. I will click on this circle and then I will draw a bubble with the by clicking on the center point. So you can see first I have to choose the center point. This is my center point I have clicked, and now as I move my mouse away from the center point, a circle is going to be created like this. So I can create how much big I want, but I will limit the bubble size to say this much. Okay, I should have delete that and I'll create one more. So this is fine, the bubble. So I think my triangle has moved a bit leftwards. So what I will do is I'll move it bit right. Okay, um, it was moved topwards, so I have moved it properly now. So click on F to fit to window always. So I have to move it bit downwards. Now this looks good. So I'll just check and save for the symbol, and then you can see your CAW window. It says everything is proper. Cross view with check completed with no errors. Say for example, you have some case mismatch. Um, V out, you have given it like this, and say then you haven't named or forgotten, or by mistake you have deleted the name of the pin, and it appears like this. Check and save. So when you do that check and save, it will start showing you that zero errors, but there are two warnings. Click on close and we shall see the CAW window to know what are those errors. So it is saying V out in view schematic is not found in symbol, and this name V out, V capital V underscores not underscore capital V small letter OUT in view symbol not found in schematic. So what it is saying is this pin is not there in schematic, and if you observe the schematic, this pin V capital out is not there in symbol, so it is case sensitive. So what you have to do is click on this and click on Q to go to properties, uh, change the name to all caps V out, and then now to give the name for this you have to draw a selection box and select the pin. Click on Q and type V in. It's already name is present. What you have to do is just you have to create a label for it. Pin name, click on pin name, and then type V in, and then click OK, then click. So click on check and save, click F. Now uh, everything is done. So this red color box is it is the bounding box, it is called. So it won't appear when you instantiate. I will show you how it shows the symbol when you instantiate. So I'll open uh, one more instance for that, one more schematic to instantiate. I'll just create a schematic. Say let us give some inverter test bench. So now to instantiate my symbol, I will click on I, and then you have to browse to your library, which is training videos, and then click on cell, which what is the name of the cell? Browse it, inverter 1x, and it is symbol that is going to be instantiated here. Click hide. So here you have the symbol, so that bounding box is not appearing for you, and when you highlight it, when you hover your mouse, the bounding box is coming like this for you. So and also you can see the inverter 1x name is appearing here. So here you have the part name, at part name, it always at always refers to the address of the um, name of the cell here. At part name refers to the name of the cell here. So you can just keep this at part name only, and then if you open where you have instantiated, uh, this is the instance name. So further if you instance once or twice, it will start giving the instance names I0, I1, I2, like this it is showing. So I generally don't keep the instance name, so I will be just quitting that or deleting that name. So for me, and then click on check and save. Now you can see over the schematic, so it is not showing the instance names. This is fine, just the cell name is fine. You can just keep the cell name. This is sufficient for you. So yeah, um, this is how you create the symbol for an inverter, and that's all about for this video. Thank you.